put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Karan Rawat. So he's getting the award for the most promising strategic brand marketer of the year 2023.
I'm feeling great. It's a great moment for me because it's taken 15 years to get something like this, right? When you start as a junior in the industry and when you reach the mid to senior levels, you forget about these things, but suddenly someone comes and knocks your door saying, hey, you've been nominated. And I was like, that moment I was like, really? For what? They said, we've been watching you, we've been seeing your LinkedIn, we are seeing your how you're teaching students, but we would like to know more, right? And I supplied the information. That moment of this whole process of sharing the information, and then I realized that, oh, I've done a lot of things, but I've not possibly shared it, right? And this happened so quickly that I just couldn't figure out that what's happening in my life. So I'm feeling very, very grateful. I'm grateful to all the students, all the agencies, clients, brands that I've worked with, everyone who has mentored me from junior till now. I think it's been wonderful working with all of you guys. If you would not have been there, I wouldn't have been who I am today. And with this, I continue to serve young generation, young brand strategists who intend to become brand creators and marketers. I would like to create that breakthrough brand mastermind tribe of people who are passionate about building experience brands, in the world of digital, which we are living in. And that's my aim, which I want to really, really pursue. While I'm working as a professional, I like to educate people. I go to, institutes. I've been running my entire online education course, which is on breakthroughwithkaranrawat.com. You can find that there. And you can Google me, breakthroughwithkaranrawat.com, and you'll be finding me in various places.
Definitely, sir. So your success mantra or any message to the young entrepreneurs?
I would say young entrepreneurs and professionals, because I see today that so many professionals turned entrepreneurs. So many entrepreneurs are giving opportunities to professionals. So I think they are going both hand in hand. And there are two quotes actually I would like to quote. The first one, which guided me from my childhood, and I think I did not understand the real meaning then, right? This is from a poem of Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. As a kid, I always used to wonder that what exactly it means, right? But today I can see that difference. And the second one is for people who feel that they are not able to look into the future. There's one thing which I've followed in my life, and I think that will motivate everyone. And remember this quote: whenever you feel there is no headway, there is no light ahead of the tunnel. And here it goes. I've locked the doors of yesterday. I've locked the doors of yesterday and threw the keys away. I have no fear for tomorrow. I have no fear for tomorrow because I have found my today.